how to add LinkedIn feed to Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add a LinkedIn feed with the help of the Elfsight platform, which is going to create for you a widget to the website of yours that you have created on Squarespace. The thing that you're going to do is to head over squarespace.com, sign in for an account and visit the account dashboard. Once you have did that, we are going to select the website. Here, as you can see, I have selected the website. I clicked on go to website. Now what I'm going to do basically is to click on pages. And from here, we are going to select the page that we are going to integrate the widget or the LinkedIn feed to. Now I'm going to select the home page, and from here, I'm going to click on edit. Once you have did that, we're going to see the editor load up all the elements of the website and also the modifiers. So we are going to create a new section, which is going to be an empty section, just like that. So this is a pre-made feed, as you can see for LinkedIn. We have integrated it within a new section. I'm going to delete that feed, remove that section. Let you see this from the start. We're going to add a new section. Preferably, we're going to add a blank section. From here, what we're going to do is to add a block. Click on Add Block. Now we are going to base on one of the two options. Either we are going to put embed or code. I'm going to add code. I'm going to make it as wide as possible. And also, I'm going to increase the length of it. So this is the perfect length in my case. And of course, it is going to take the right length. I'm going to double tap and delete the code that we have in here. Now we're going to head over Elfsight, select the widgets, and from these categories, we're going to select social. From social, we're going to have here Facebook feed, Instagram feed, LinkedIn feed. I'm going to select LinkedIn and click on create a new widget. I have already created a widget, but I'm going to edit it so you're going to see all the steps that you can take. The first step is to add the source. You can add a company page name, or you can go ahead and have the URL of your profile or your page. So you're going to put it in here, click on apply. In our case, we have put the example of the Microsoft. So we have a copy and paste this one. And as you can see, this is it. You can apply some filters like show their posts and also add some filters like specific posts, keywords, and etc. You can change the layout. You can have a grid, a masonry, list, carousel slider, and etc. We can control the feed, the width, and also the header, the title, and etc. For the post, we have some different layouts. So we're going to have here the post, customization of it, and also the pop-up style. When you are going to click on any post, you're going to see that it is going to take you on a pop-up. You can put the pop-up or add or open in a new tab. So the pop-up is going to give you here more details like this, like reading the videos, seeing some more like sharing and etc. Aside from that, you can go ahead and control the appearance and also set up the font, background, header, and etc. Now for the settings, you can only change the language and edit the text like that. So you're going to click on publish when you finish everything, and then you're going to copy and paste the code by clicking on install. So you're going to click on copy code, head over again on the Squarespace website, paste your code in here, and you're going to wait for it. At first, it is going to show you that it is going to be a JavaScript, also an iframe, and it should be a premium plan to read it, but it doesn't matter. So here we have, as you can see, our LinkedIn feed. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.